Welcome to the exciting world of Albakio's International, and today we are going to learn about even and odd numbers. Are you ready? Look at the screen. Can you count these apples? 1, 2, 3, 4. We can see 4 apples. Can we make pairs of these apples? Remember, pair means 2. So, we can have 1 pair and we can have 2 pair. Great. Now count these stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 6 in number. Can we make pairs of stars? Yes, we can. We can have 1, 2, 3. 3 pairs. Let's count these balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 balls. Can we make pairs of balls? We cannot make pairs of all balls. One is left over. Remember, those numbers which make pair are called even numbers. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28 and 30. And the numbers which do not make pair are called odd numbers. For examples, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27 and 29. It's time to enjoy an activity. Look at the number. Clap if you see an odd number. Ready? Now you can see 6. Is it an odd number? No, so we are not going to clap. 11. Yes. 21. Yes. 29. Yes. 30. No. 15. 17. Great. Now challenge yourself to make pairs of the given objects, then tick whether the number is odd or even. Are you ready? 1. We can't make a pair of number 1, so that is an odd number. What's about 2? We can make a pair, so this is an even number. 3. We can't make pair because 1 can be left, so this is an odd number. 4. We can make 2 pairs, so this is an even number. 5. We can make 2 pairs but 1 is still left over, so this is an odd number. 6. We can make 3 pairs. 7. We can make 3 pairs but 1 is left over. So what is this? This is an odd number. 8. We can make 4 pairs. 9. We can make 4 pairs but 1 is left over, so this is an odd number. 10. We can make 5 pairs, so this is an even number. Remember, even numbers make pair and odd numbers do not make pair.